In part, the state's long and complex drug law history dates back to 2016. That's when law enforcement in Spokane arrests Shannon Blake, who's found to have a small amount of meth in her pocket. She's charged with possession of a controlled substance. Her attorneys argue she didn't know she had the drugs on her and take the case all the way to the state Supreme Court. In February of 2021, in what's now called the Blake decision, the state vacated the woman's conviction, saying the Constitution bars the legislature from penalizing her conduct without requiring the state to prove she had a guilty mind. In other words, prosecutors never had to prove that the suspect knew she was carrying drugs.
So as you can see, all that foil he's picking up right now is from fentanyl use.
The Blake decision reversed the current state law, making the felony drug possession law unconstitutional. Thousands of pending drug cases are dropped.
We're going to see people get out without infrastructure in place in order to get them the help they need.
Word gets out.
Everybody thinks drugs are legal now, so they can do drugs wherever they want.
In 2021, SB 5476 passed as a temporary fix.
Hey, it's the police.
It made drug possession a misdemeanor and requires law enforcement to issue at least 2 treatment referrals before charging. Within the last year, municipalities across the state introduced their own city ordinances intended at stopping public drug use. However, local governments can't criminalize possession since state law supersedes local law.
We're not trying to arrest our way out of a drug epidemic, but we do know that when people are in our criminal justice system, it gives them an incentive to want to get better.
All this could change come July of 2023. That's when that temporary fix passed by lawmakers is set to expire. That's unless lawmakers in this newly called special session pass a new law criminalizing drug possession in the state of Washington. In Seattle, Sebastian Robertson, King 5 News.